Hello everybody. Rheumatoid arthritis in Ayurveda has been explained under the name Amavata. Under this chapter, there has been a detailed description about its causes, symptoms, and its treatment. What every rheumatoid arthritis patient needs to understand here is that in our body there are three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. The increase in Vata is one among the important reasons for the manifestation of rheumatoid arthritis. Before telling how this increased Vata affects our body, let me first discuss about the current level of understanding about this disease. Most patients who come to our clinic with the problem of rheumatoid arthritis, they normally say, we have been told that there is something wrong with our immune system. Even we try to Google a little bit and it seems it is an autoimmune disorder. It seems there are many causes for it. It could be our food, it could be some genetic reasons, it could be stress or some other disease, some environmental factors. So the exact cause cannot be really pointed out. So even we are unable to understand why actually this disease has come to us. Hence, with no other option, we are just taking the medicines prescribed by our doctors and just going on with it. Here, the immune system, normally it acts against the harmful bacteria or virus or some foreign bodies, by which it protects the body's own cells and tissues. But due to certain causes, the immune system gives an abnormal response. It begins to attack our own body's cells and tissues, due to which we get the pain and swelling in the joints. On hearing this, it may be quite strange for a few people. How is it, doctor? Thing which is supposed to protect our body, how can it behave abnormally and attack the same body itself? Yes, it is not as strange as it seems. Most of us in our day-to-day life, we do keep doing such kind of strange things. Let me give you an example. Imagine we are buying a new mobile phone. What do? We keep it safely with us. We put a screen guard and other flip cover and something like that so that it does not get damaged easily. Now, what happens when we get very angry? We have seen many people during their highest level of anger, they just simply break their own mobile phone itself. Of course, mobile phone is here one example. Most of us, when we are very angry at one or the other point, we would have broken one or the other thing which belongs to our own self itself. Here, what is happening? The moment of anger is masking our own nature, under which we normally protect our own things. To be even more specific, in our mind there are three gunas or qualities: sattva, rajas, and tamas. When the rajas increases, this is expressed as anger, and there is a change in our basic nature. And instead of protecting our own things, we do not understand that it is my own thing. By breaking it, I am only going to get the losses. And out of that anger, we just simply break our own belongings. The same thing is happening in rheumatoid arthritis as well. Among the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, when the Vata increases to a very high extent, it changes the basic nature of our immune system and it starts to attack our own body cells, like the joints. Hence, a rheumatoid arthritis patient should first avoid foods, activities, situations, environments such that which can increase the Vata. Why this is important? Because every patient should first understand what is actually wrong with him. Only then he will be able to modify his lifestyle accordingly. Because we don't understand this much, what happens? We become too much dependent on medicines alone. Not only for rheumatoid arthritis, for like present day life, if you see, for most of our health problems, we become too much dependent on medicines alone. It's not that we should not take medicines. According to the doctor's advice, we should take medicines. But along with that, only when you change your lifestyle to in a healthy way, only then the treatment becomes complete and we can expect maximum result. In the context of rheumatoid arthritis, there are various reasons for this vata to keep increasing. One important reason in today's present day lifestyle is that everything is fast. We are not able to deal anything in a very patient manner. There's always some preoccupied thoughts running in our mind. In our houses and offices, how is the situation? Children, they get up in the morning, get ready in a very fast manner, eat something fast in the name of breakfast and run to school or college. Again, working people also same thing. They get ready in a fast manner, eat something fastly and again run to office. Again, in the workplace also so much of stress, so much of deadlines, project work and all, so much of work, but everything we are always doing it under a stressful situation. Even while driving in the road also how it is, we are not able to patiently drive in the road. Most of the people are always in a hurry. Wherever we get a chance, we are trying to jump the signal and run away. So this fast life in everything, this itself is one main reason for that chronic aggravation of vata in our body. And this can lead to various problems pertaining to rheumatoid arthritis. So what we need to do here is slow down a little bit from our fast life. We need to adopt a little bit of patience in our daily life. Just enjoy and do everything. Just be in the present situation. This is one simple and effective lifestyle modification by which we can greatly avoid the aggravation of vata in our body. And hence, when rheumatoid arthritis patients follow these kind of simple measures along with the medications prescribed by the doctor, we will be able to get a very good relief from rheumatoid arthritis and also maintain our health. Apart from this, in Ayurveda, there is also one important relationship between rheumatoid arthritis and our digestion and food habits. About this issue, we will see in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.